So today is the day. I've been meaning to talk about it for a while because I keep getting these comments. Not a nice comments. People are sometimes saying, oh my God, your nails look dirty, or you should clean underneath the nails, or the manicurist should have cleaner nails. And I wanted to make a video about it finally, because this is very important. It leads to bigger issues when people don't know what the anatomy really is. So that slightly darker line near the free edge is the area where the nail plate separates from the nail bed and transitions into the hyponychium underneath. And because the nail becomes more translucent at the edge, shadows, underlying tissues of skin, natural keratin variation, and tiny blood vessels can show through differently from person to person. Some people have a very pale transition zone, let's just call it that way. And some have more pronounced ones, so it's completely normal and especially visible on natural, unpolished nails that are photographed in bright light or close-ups. Ironically, aggressively cleaning under that area with tools is one of the fastest ways to irritate the hyponychium and cause a separation and create actual nail problems. The body likes that seal in there. It's not supposed to look airbrushed. And people say they want real, natural, untouched, but I feel that they calibrated their eyes to very bright, very white free edges, and natural nail is not perfectly white, just like the teeth. They are used to filters and edited close-ups where every bit of that translucency gets erased, and then people think that it's not normal to have nails that look a little bit translucent in some areas. So when they see little vascular shadows, slight beige gray transitions, uneven translucency, visible hyponychium, or tiny little keratin variation, they think their brain files it under unclean, simply because it doesn't match the polished mannequin version that they have been fed for years. So it's the same strange paradox that we see everywhere right now. So people want skin texture until they see pores, and then they freak out. They want natural hair until they see frizziness. And they want real bodies until something folds when they're sitting down. And they want natural nails until the free edge stops glowing radioactive white. Irony is brutal in the nail care, specifically because they're chasing the ultra white, perfectly clean underside. And that often leads people to over cleaning under the natural nail, detaching the hyponychium, irritating the nail bed, and creating very serious problem that they're trying to avoid. You'll notice that sometimes when people clean too much, they end up getting more dirt underneath the nails because they're creating the little spaces where the dirt likes to hide, and it's a vicious circle. We just have to remember that healthy tissue is not always visually sterile looking, and living anatomy has color, translucency, shadows, and variations. And that's part of being alive and not defective. Same when it comes to the skin around the nails. People are so used to the nail fold being cut that somehow they think that that skin shouldn't be there. Meanwhile, the skin fold is designed to be there. The skin is supposed to be there. So if it's a little dry, care for it. Don't just cut it right away. So anyway, I thought that was important thing to finally mention, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.